My name is Mark Kirasich. I'm with NASA's Johnson Space Center, and I'm the manager of the Orion program. Orion is NASA's new human spacecraft that is going to take people farther away from the Earth than we've ever gone before. And the Orion missions will be up to several weeks in duration, and during this time the crew will be taken hundreds of thousands of miles away from the Earth in some of the harshest environments we've ever been. Extreme thermal environments, large radiation. But believe it or not, after they survive all of that, one of the hardest parts of the Orion mission is the re-entry into Earth's atmosphere and landing back here on the Earth. And that's why we're here today at the Yuma Proving Ground. Our system, which slows the capsule down so it gently touches the ground with the crew inside, is called the parachute system. And the way we test the parachute system is we drop it out of the back of airplanes. And that's why we're here today. It's the very last test that we're going to do in the culmination of a very long series of parachute tests. We've been at this about a decade, and we've had a total of 44 drop tests. And throughout that time, we've learned a lot of things, and the engineers that develop our parachutes, they've incorporated those lessons learned into the design, into the manufacturing, and into how we lay out the parachute system in the spacecraft itself. And we're really excited about today because this should really be a celebration today for us to celebrate the efforts and the hard work of the team over the past 10 years. Yeah, well, this range here actually gives us a great place to test the parachute systems. What we do is we fly the airplane up to about 35,000 feet, and we can, at this range, we can set up various initial conditions because we try to test the parachutes in all of what we call the corners of the operational box. And we also introduce failures into the parachute system intentionally cause parts of the parachute system to fail so we can see if the redundancy we built into the parachute system works. Really exciting day, first of all, and a beautiful day out here on the Yuma Proving Ground. The weather was incredible, but what I'm feeling right now is really excitement and thankfulness for the team. We have a NASA engineering team, we have the Yuma Proving Ground support team that have worked very hard over the past decade, total of over 44 different drop tests to first of all learn about how the parachutes work and then improve our design, and finally today the last of our 8 qualification drop tests. So I'm extremely happy. This is a big milestone for us. We check another box on our way getting to the launch pad for exploration mission, where we're going to send humans farther into space than ever before. And this test today was a part of that. It was a building block. And I'm really excited about this. When we launch our first mission to the moon, we call it Exploration Mission 1, in the summer of 2020, I believe it's going to capture the excitement and imagination of people not only in this country, but around the world, that humans are once again doing really bold, really adventurous things in deep space.